In this video, I will show you how to get your old WhatsApp chats restored. As you just see, it says finished restoring media. Now, sometimes you may be installing WhatsApp and by mistake, when you get to the part where it will say restore WhatsApp chat, maybe you mistakenly click on the skip, and so you have skipped the option to restore your old WhatsApp chats. Or in some cases, it may not even appear at all, and so you ended up installing WhatsApp without being able to restore the chats. If that happened to you, this is exactly what you should do in order to be able to restore your old chats. Come and then click on the app and hold it. When you tap and hold, you see the uninstall option. So you click and uninstall. I'm just demonstrating to you, but for me, I'm not uninstalling it. But you click uninstall it. After you uninstall it, you click on the Google Apps, go to Gmail, then tap at the top. Then make sure that you sign in to your Google account. If you haven't signed into your Google account, click on add another account and then sign in. To the Google account where you backed up your WhatsApp chats to. It's because if you don't have the Google account sign in on your phone, the option to see the back to be able to recover the old WhatsApp chats will not show. So you must make sure that you first log in to your old WhatsApp, to your old Google account, or your Google account that you have backed up your chats to. After that is done, you come back and now go to your Play Store. Then you search for WhatsApp, and then you install it. For me, I've already installed. So when you install it and you're done, just open. Then when you open, you follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Now, as you are in, you put your details, your number, and you put the verification code. When it gets to the initializing stage, after it initializes, it will say that you should check to see if they are backed up chats. And so you will search, and the system will scan to see if they are old chats to that particular WhatsApp number that were backed up. And once the email account, you've logged into your email address, it will automatically be able to scan and detect if there is any backed up chat. When that is detected, then you will now have the option to restore it or to skip it. And this time, remember to click on restore, and so it will restore your old WhatsApp chat, just like what you can see on my screen. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me for assistance if you have any problem doing this, and I will guide you to do it. But know that I charge for those services. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.